This is Mark, the other chopstick guy, with your small bite of the day. Man, I love natural light, but one of the things I have trouble with is getting a good exposure on a bright, sunny day. So here's one tip I want to give you today. I always tell people at our workshop, if you're struggling exposing for someone's skin, move right in and just expose a part of the face. And here's what I see a lot of times: people get back and they try to expose where they fill the frame with part of the face, part of the background. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this. I need to move in extremely close, and I move my dial until I see my exposure centers out, and I know now that the skin is exposed. Now I can just step back and take my picture. And just like that, I have perfectly exposed skin. I'm gonna let the background do whatever the background does because I'm not using flash, I'm shooting with natural light. So if you ever have trouble exposing, step in close, fill the frame with the face, get the exposure right, step back and take the photo. This is Mark, the other chopstick guy, with your small bite of the day.